Right, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be having a look at these fan belts, pulleys, and try and clean them up because they're pretty rusty. Okay, so first of all I'm going to have to take off the fan belts and then see how I can clean it up. I'm not sure I'm going to do it yet, but we'll have a look at that in the video that comes. Okay, a big thank you before I go any further for everybody that's subscribed, and I'm going to give you a big thumbs up. Brilliant. Okay, because it's gone from 993 right up to 1,012 last time I looked, so that's brilliant. Thank you so much, I appreciate that. Okay, so without further ado, let's get cracking on this job. Right, first of all I've got to undo that bolt down there to undo the power steering. There's the power steering belt. I've got to take that belt off. Then I've got to go across here and undo that top bolt on the alternator and get the two belts off so I can have a little crack at these pulleys that are very rusty. Okay. Alright, I got this bit of tape. I don't think you can see that from where you are, but it'll take a while to do this, I think. But it's coming off. That's the main thing. Oh, that's a bit shiny, doesn't it? Done it ever. Right. Yeah, it's looking a bit more shinier. I reckon it is, anyway. Okay, so I've got my belts back on. You can see down there I've got the double belts that go over the water pump. That's the water pump we're looking at now, and the alternator belts down there, and then right down there, if you can see that down there, is going over the pulley. And also, if I can get that pipe out of the way, that is my power steering. Okay, so I've got all that back in, and it's time to start it up and see how it goes. Okay, well, let's see if it starts and what it sounds like. I need to get a light. Okay, well, all looking good. Yeah, I'm happy with that. We'll see how it goes after I do it for a drive. Okay, so I've done that. Seen it running. I haven't taken it for a drive. The car's just about out of fuel, so I need to go down the garage and fill it up. So I'm going to be doing that in a minute. So I think in the next video I'm going to be doing something slightly different, which I'm just going to show you. I have one of these endoscope cameras. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is taking the spark plugs out, and we're going to inspect the top of the pistons to see if the valves have actually been whacking them when I had the timing not quite right. Okay, so I just want to see if there's any damage, and this one has got two cameras on it, and it's got one on the side as well, so I can just check to see. It's on the side there, let me see, it even lights up, so I can check to see if the valves are all shutting or closing properly. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing in the next video. Okay, so stay tuned for that, and thanks again for everybody. Well, that's better. My goodness, what a difference. This is a different car. I appreciate everybody that's supported me on this channel, everybody that's subscribed, everybody that's given me a thumbs up, everybody that's left a comment, and everybody that shared my videos. So thanks again, and catch you in the next one.